Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be solving questions on HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers and HCF is a factor of LCM. Now first question is find HCF into LCM for numbers 105 and 120. Apply HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Two numbers are 105 and 120. Just multiply them. Second question is find HCF into LCM for two numbers 100 and 190. Apply the same. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers 100 into 190, that is 19,000. Now third question is HCF and LCM of two numbers is 9 and 459 respectively. If one number is 27, find the other. First of all write HCF is 9, LCM is 459, one number be 27, let other number be x. Now apply HCF into LCM, product of numbers. Substitute value HCF 9, LCM is 459, first number is 27 and second number is x. Bring 27 in the denominator. First of all cancel, 9 3s are 27, 3 1 5 3. So the answer is other number is 153. Answer. Now the fourth question is HCF is given, LCM we have to find it. Apply HCM of two numbers into LCM of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers. Substitute value of HCF 9 and LCM we have to find out. A is 306 and B is 657. LCM is equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9. 9 763, 27, 73. Now multiply them and get the answer. Now the next question is, in this we are given HCF, we need to find LCM. Same method, HCF of two numbers into LCM of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers. HCF value is 40, LCM we have to find out. LCM is equal to 1160 into 1240 divided by 40. Cancel, 431. Answer. Now the next question is LCM of two numbers is 119, product of two numbers is 4284. Find their HCF. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF we have to find out, and for LCM substitute value 119. HCF is equal to 4284 divided by 119. It comes comes out to be 36. Answer. Now the next question is HCF of 45 and 105 is 15. Find the LCM. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF is 15. We need to find LCM, and the two numbers are 45 and 105. Bring 15 in the denominator. 15 cancel out 3. 15, 315. This is the LCM. Next question is, if product of two numbers is 3691, LCM is 3691, find HCF. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF we need to find out. LCM is 3691, product is 3691, then HCF is equal to 3691 by 3691, that is 1. HCF is 1. This is the answer. Now the next question is, the LCM of two numbers is 14 times their HCF. The sum of HCF and LCM is 600. If one number is 280, find the other number. First of all, suppose HCF be X. Since LCM is 14 times, LCM for is apply is equal to 14 times into HCF. Times meaning multiply. So LCM is 14x. The sum of HCF and LCM, given that HCF plus LCM is equal to 600. Now substitute values. For HCF put x, for LCM substitute 14x. X plus 14x, 15x. 600 by 15, x is equal to 40. So HCF is x, that is 40. LCM is 14x, that is 14 into 40, 560. Now we need to find out other number. Apply the identity. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. For HCF substitute value 40, for LCM substitute value 560. One number is given 280. Let other number. 40 into 560 by 280 is equal to other number. 0 and 0, 28, 2, 40 into 2, 80. So the other number is 80. This is your answer. Now the question is, we are given HCF of two numbers, LCM of two numbers and the numbers. We need to find the value of K. Apply the identity. HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. HCF is substitute value 40. LCM is 252 into K. The numbers are 2520 and 6600. K is equal to 2520. Bring them in denominator. 252, 10, cancel out. 2, 2, 3, 3, 0, 0, 2, 16, 32, 10, 5, 1650. The value of K is 1650. This is the answer. Now the next question is, can two numbers have 18 as their HCF and 380 as their LCM? Give reasons. First of all, find the factors of 380. The factors of 380 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 19. Since we do not get 18 as the factor, so the answer is no, because HCF is always a factor of LCM. And in this question, 18 is not a factor of 380. So the answer is no. Now the next question is, can two numbers have 18 as their HCF and 694 as their LCM? This is same question as question number 11. We will be now doing it with a different method. We know that LCM is always divisible by HCF. Now let's check out. 694 since the remainder comes out to be 10 not equal to 0, which implies 694 is not divisible by 18, which implies LCM is not divisible by 18. So the answer is no. Can the two numbers have 18 as their HCF and 694 as their LCM? Answer is no. Now try these questions and answer them in the comment section. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share videos. Bye bye.